Next, we introduce the auto-calibration of a single crystal angle probe. The type of single crystal angle probe we use is 2.5 MHz 9x9 K2. 1. Calibration of probe delay, incidence point, and material velocity. Step 1. Press Channel key. Roll the wheel to select a channel without asterisk. Press down to select Save, then press Enter key. Step 2. Press Calibration key to get into Calibration interface. Press F1 to select the main menu of Probe. Set the probe type as Angle in the submenu. Press down to select Freak. Roll the wheel to set the probe frequency as 2.5 MHz. Press down to select P-size. Roll the wheel to set the size of the crystal plate as 9 by 9 millimeters, and press the wheel to confirm. Step 3. Press F2 key to get to the main menu of Cali. The cursor selects the submenu of Auto automatically. Press Enter to start automatic calibration. Couple the probe with the standard block CSK-IA. Step 4. The cursor selects the submenu of Velocity automatically. Roll the wheel to set the value as 3,230 milliseconds. Press Enter if the cursor jumps to the submenu of P-delay. Set the probe delay as default. Press Enter if the cursor jumps to the submenu of SREF1. Roll the wheel to set the sound path of point 1 as 50 millimeters. Press Enter if the cursor jumps to SREF2. Roll the wheel to set the sound path of point 2 as 100 millimeters. Press Enter. The cursor jumps to G-start, and the screen prompts to lock the highest echo at 2 points by the gate. Then press Enter. Step 5. Move the probe along the R100 radius to find the highest echo. Press Peak Memory to affect the function of peak memory. After the echo becomes stable, press Auto Gain to adjust the echo to 80% of the current screen. Then move the probe slightly again to determine the peak position. Press Enter. The cursor jumps to the submenu of F-dist. The screen prompts to measure and input the front distance. Step 6. Measure the distance from the front end of the probe to the front end of R100 arc with a ruler. The measuring result is 91 millimeters. Roll the wheel to set the front distance as 91 millimeters and press Enter. Now, the calibration of the probe's front distance, probe delay, and material velocity is completed. 2. Angle calibration of a single crystal angle probe. Next, we use CSK-IA 550 round hole to calibrate the angle K value of an angle probe automatically. Step 1. Press F3 to select the main menu of Angle. The cursor selects the submenu of Auto automatically. Press Enter to start automatic calibration of the angle. Step 2. Select the submenu of Diameter with the cursor. Then roll the wheel to set the value as 50 millimeters. Press Enter if the cursor jumps to the submenu of Depth. Roll the wheel to set the value as 30 millimeters. Press Enter if the cursor jumps to the submenu of Angle. Roll the wheel to set the value as 63.4. In the submenu of K value below, the setting is changed to 2.00 automatically. Step 3. Press Enter. The screen prompts to lock the highest echo by the gate. Move the probe on the surface of the round hole in the standard block to find the highest echo. Press Peak Memory. The instrument finds the highest echo automatically. After echo becomes stable, press Auto Gain to adjust the echo to 80% of the current screen. Then move the probe slightly to determine the peak position. Press Enter. The submenu of Auto turns to Finish. The automatic calibration of refraction angle K value of the angle probe is completed.